Hello friends. Subtraction is a very important operation in arithmetic. Particularly in divisions, we need to do a lot of subtractions, and in larger number of subtractions, it becomes very difficult for the kids to remember because of the conventional method of doing subtraction. The conventional traditional method of doing subtraction involves a lot of borrowings, and this makes the students scary. It is observed that many students, even in higher classes and beyond, they are afraid of doing subtractions because of this. So we'll do subtraction using a method which will not use borrowing at all. The name of this method is split, rearrange, left to right. We'll do subtraction for 3-digit numbers and see how we go. So 532 minus 179, the first step is split. So we split 532 into 500 plus 30 plus 2 and 179 into minus 100 minus 70 minus 9. Remember, the number which is after this minus sign, all hundreds, tens and ones place will have minus in front of them. That's why it is minus 100, minus 70, minus 9. The next step is rearrange. So we'll rearrange this whole thing in such a way that all the hundreds come together, all tens come together and all ones come together. And in such a way that the larger hundred comes first, then the smaller hundred comes, then the larger tens come, then the smaller tens come, then the larger ones come, and then the smaller ones come, irrespective of whether it is positive or negative. So we'll rearrange this whole thing in this fashion. 500 minus 100 minus 70 plus 30 minus 9 plus 2. Then we'll perform these operations from left to right. 500 minus 100 is 400 minus 70 plus 30 minus 9 plus 2. Remember, all these steps you have to do in your mind. 400 minus 70 is 330 plus 30 minus 9 plus 2. All the steps are to be done in your mind. 330 plus 30 is 360 minus 9 plus 2. 360 minus 9 is 351 plus 2, this is 353. So see how easy it becomes if we split, rearrange and then do the operations from left to right. Remember, all these steps you have to practice by doing in your mind so that you can do this complete operation in one single step. We'll take up one more example, and in this we'll do the split and rearrange in one single step. So we'll omit this step completely. So this is 811, 199. Always remember, first while rearranging, first the bigger 100 will come, then the smaller 100 will come, then the bigger 10 will come, then the smaller 10 will come, then the bigger ones will come, and then the smaller ones will come. So we'll do split and rearrange both in one single step. 800 minus 100, 90 is bigger, so minus 90, then plus 10, 9 is bigger, so minus 9, and then 1, so plus 1. After that, we'll perform the left to right. So left to right, 800 minus 100 is 700, minus 90 plus 10 minus 9 plus 1. 700 minus 90 is 610. So 610 plus 10 minus 9 plus 1. 610 plus 10 is 620 minus 9 plus 1. 620 minus 9 is 611 plus 1. This is equal to 612. But remember, you have to practice in such a way that all these steps are done in your mind. We'll do this same operation again, but we'll do the split and rearrange both together in one single step. So split and rearrange together. 500 minus 100 minus 70 plus 30 minus 9 plus 2. Now we'll do the operation left to right, everything in our mind, and write the final answer directly. 500 minus 100 is 400, 400 minus 70 is 330, 330 plus 30 is 360, 360 minus 9 is 351, 351 plus 2 is 353. So see how fast it becomes. We'll take up this example, but now we'll eliminate this step completely and do everything in our mind and come to the final answer in one single step. Remember, split, rearrange, left to right, everything in our mind. While rearranging, remember, the bigger 100 will come first, then the smaller 100 will come, the bigger 10 will come first, then the smaller 10 will come, the bigger ones will come first, and then the smaller ones will come, irrespective of whether it is positive or negative. We'll do it in mind in one single step. Look at the number, see which is bigger and which is smaller, and then do. So 800 minus 100 is 700, 700 minus 90 is 610, 610 plus 10 is 620, 620 minus 9 is 611, 611 plus 1 is 612. So you can see it can be done in one single step. We'll do this sum again in one single step, everything in our mind. I'll again repeat, split, rearrange, left to right. After splitting, rearrange in your mind, rearrange in such a way that the bigger 100 come first, then the smaller 100 will come, then the bigger 10s will come, then the smaller 10s will come, then the bigger ones will come, and then the smaller one will come, irrespective of whether it is positive or negative. Look at the number and in your mind speak out which is higher first and then the part which is smaller. So we'll do it in one single step. 500 minus 100 is 400, 400 minus 70 is 330, 330 plus 30 is 360, 360 minus 9 is 351, 351 plus 2 is 353. So friends, this is an easy method. You completely eliminate the borrowing part of it, which has been scaring you all these years. Practice as many sums as you can so that it will make your answers more accurate and more fast. We'll see more such methods in the upcoming